Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Vivo Y100. And guys, this is another mid-range phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 60,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range, 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM, and the color I have is a crisp black color. On the back we have some more specification about the Vivo Y100, and this phone has a 80 watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. We also have a 120Hz AMOLED display. We also have a extended RAM feature. This phone also has a stereo speakers. So in this video we will be unboxing the Vivo Y100, and Vivo is done an excellent job in terms of the pricing wise, because in this price range in this phone we have a Snapdragon 685. So let me remove the plastic first. And now let's open this box. So on the top we have our device, Vivo Y100. Now let's start the phone from this box. And guys, here is the black color of the Vivo Y100, as you can see. And this phone looks really nice. On the back we have a matte finish. In the back it is made up of plastic actually, as well as the frame of this phone. We have a completely flat frame. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed on the front. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And the first thing, we have a soft silicone case. Also we have our quick start guide as well as a warranty card. And guys, here is our 80 watt super fast charger. Here is our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable. And also we have our SIM ejection tool inside the box. And now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo Y100. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. And now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot, and no, we have a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot. Also we have a rubber gasket. On the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have another microphone, and on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, because this phone has a in-display fingerprint scanner. We have a dual cameras actually. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back. Also we have a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. On the front we only have a 8 megapixel selfie camera, which is a really disappointing thing. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a gorgeous 6.67 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top and the bottom chain. Even the side bezels, I would say it is decent. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y100. The first impression about the display quality, this phone has a AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Now let's see the max brightness. And the display looks really bright, I would say. I did not expect that. So here is the notification panel looks like. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. And this phone is running on Android 14 with the Fun Touch OS version 14. Also this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685. Also we have 256 GB of internal storage out of 233 GB it is available for you guys. Now let's go to the display. So here's a refresh rate. On default it is on auto. Now let's go 120Hz all the time, and now I can feel this smoothness. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a in-display fingerprint scanner. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And now let's look at the camera. Again, this phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have a depth sensor. So here's the main camera looks like, and here's the portrait mode, and here's the night mode. In the portrait mode we also have some styles and filters. So here's the video mode. Let's see video recording size, and the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps, and the 60 fps it is only available at 720p resolution. We also have a ultra steady mode which give you a better video stabilization. With the back camera we also have some filters. So in the mode section, here is our 50 megapixel mode, and here is our slow motion. And we also have a dual view video mode which uses the front camera as well as the back camera. And we also have pro mode. We also have a live photos. So you can see all those things it is available on this phone. And also get the front facing camera, and the front facing camera I would say it is really weak on this phone. On the front we only have 8 megapixel, so 8 megapixel looks really decent, but still we should have a 16 megapixel or a 32 megapixel. So here is the portrait mode and here is the night mode. Let's see with the recording size, only full HD at 30 fps. We don't have a 60 fps with the front facing camera, and in the mode section and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size again. This phone has a massive 5000 mAh battery size with 80 watt super fast charging, and combined with the Snapdragon 685, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y100. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.